Hi, it's Aaron with Sirius, and this is an overview of our STAAR Assessment Bank and Test Builder, a comprehensive assessment bank of over 10,000 STAAR items designed to synchronize your curriculum and assessment process with the rigor and cognitive demand of STAAR 2.0. Administrators with access to the Sirius STAAR Assessment Bank can create single assessments or folders of assessments to organize their tests. To start building your assessment, first select your item bank, one for each STAAR-tested grade level, and a separate bank of STAAR release questions. Under the Standards tab, you can select a set of TEKS to filter the list down. Select individual standards to further filter the items. As your search narrows, you can look at the info to see more details on each item. To interact with the item, select Preview or click the item. When you preview, you have access to the same tools and functionality that a student will see on the assessment. Under Tags, you have more filtering options. You can search the question stem, filter by grade level, subject level, STAAR item type, Spanish language for grades 3 through 5 if you're building parallel forms, as well as genre and point value. You can even combine these filters, so maybe you're looking for just drag and drop items on a particular standard. You can combine these filters to narrow your search further. To start adding items to your assessment, click the checkbox next to each item, and then click Add Items. To bring items into your assessment, move them over by clicking the plus underneath each item. You can place them one by one or all at once. You always have the option of going back and adding more items or reordering the items that are currently in your test. As you're building your test, you also have the option to preview your assessment. Let's build an RLA assessment using passages. Filter for the passage item type. Select the passages you'd like to include in your assessment. When adding these passages to your assessment, you'll see the available items with each passage. You can remove items from each passage. All of our items are ready to use and no authoring is required. Once you're finished building your assessment, you can preview it, continue to edit the assessment, copy it, or share it with others through shared drafts. By putting your assessment or folder of assessments in shared drafts, you can collaborate with other test builders in your school or district. To publish tests for teachers, move a folder to Live, and a teacher will pick it up just like they add Sirius online courses to their class. In your Content tab, you can see Sirius online courses or other folders of assessments that have been created at your school or district. You can also peruse the item banks that we have available here, or look at pre-built assessments. In each pre-built assessment folder, we have checkpoints that you can customize to meet your needs, as well as full practice tests for each subject level. This practice test is separate from the one in your Sirius online courses. To customize one of our pre-built tests, add it to an existing folder of assessments and copy it. After you've made your copy of our assessment, you can customize it by adding, removing, or reordering items. Teachers can assign your assessments by individual, group, or class. When students go back to review assessments they've taken, they have access to scaffolded supports like hints, sample answers, and answer choice rationales. With robust item analysis and TEKS-based reports, teachers can facilitate interventions by TEKS and assign instruction, STAAR practice, and assessments based on benchmark performance. Thanks for watching this overview of the Sirius STAAR Assessment Bank and Test Builder, a robust collection of over 10,000 STAAR items to align your assessment process with the rigor and cognitive demand of STAAR 2.0. All data can be exported for disaggregation, including standards performance and item analysis. Thanks, and we wish you and your students STAAR success.